Brevo Email Marketing Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Brevo are in the description below. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with Brevo, an email marketing platform designed to help businesses of all sizes create, automate, and track email campaigns. With features like easy-to-use automation, personalization, and detailed analytics, Brevo provides a comprehensive solution for businesses looking to scale their email marketing efforts. One of Brevo's key strengths is its automation features. You can create custom workflows that trigger based on specific user behaviors or events, such as signing up for a newsletter, making a purchase, or abandoning a cart. This means you can deliver the right message at the right time without manually sending each email. The platform also offers advanced segmentation, allowing you to divide your audience based on interests, behavior, or demographics. This makes it easier to send targeted, relevant emails that are more likely to convert. The email builder is another highlight. Brevo provides a drag-and-drop editor, so creating professional-looking emails doesn't require any coding skills. You can also personalize your emails with dynamic content, tailoring messages to each recipient's preferences, location, or past interactions. For users who prefer a more hands-on approach, Brevo offers customizable templates and A/B testing to ensure your emails perform at their best. Brevo also shines in analytics and reporting. You get real-time data on open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, and more. With this data, you can tweak your campaigns for better results. It also includes SMS marketing integration, so you can manage both email and text campaigns in one platform. Brevo is perfect for small to medium-sized businesses that want an affordable yet powerful email marketing tool with automation, personalization, and detailed insights. It's especially great if you're looking for a user-friendly solution to grow your business through targeted email campaigns. In conclusion, Brevo is an excellent tool for those looking to streamline their email marketing efforts with advanced automation, segmentation, and strong reporting features. For more information, check the links in the description below.